a sailor did drown my heart, 'cause of a thunderous wave goodbye. And I never saw you sleeping in your matching shoes, so a part of me still thinks you're alive. And if my mama's feeling better, we'll take some sandwiches for the road, and we'll drive into the lights on the way home. And my dad talks about the weather. He says the arse is falling out of the sky the day that Mary died. Oh, love, I've got plenty, so why do I feel like I've got nothing? Oh, love, I'm so empty. Who am I now? Tell me who I'm gonna be, or just give me back me. My savior is braver than I can be, taking all the weapons out of my mind. And I'll sing for my supper, but I'll sing for me. So part of me is aching to survive. And if my mama's feeling better, we'll take some sandwiches for the road, and we'll drive into the lights on the way home. And my dad talks about the weather, says the ash is falling out of the sky the day that Mary died. Oh, lover, I've got plenty, so why do I feel like I've got nothing? Oh, lover, I'm so empty. Who am I now? Who am I? Oh, lover, I've got plenty, so why do I feel like, oh, I need something else? Will they give me something else? And if I need something else, will they give me back me? Oh, woo.
Radiates from every single person. Wallis, I've said it before, I'll say it again, I love so much energy and exuberance and joy in one person.